Welcome back to Fix Me Master. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to lock your Windows PC instantly using a simple shortcut. Let's get started. Locking your PC with a shortcut. If you ever need to step away from your computer and want to secure it quickly, just press Windows L on your keyboard. The moment you press this combination, your screen will lock immediately, preventing unauthorized access. To get back in, simply enter your password or PIN. Why use this shortcut? It's the fastest way to secure your computer. No need to manually open the Start menu or use Ctrl-Alt-Del, perfect for workplaces, public spaces, or when you just need a quick break. And that's it. Now you know how to lock your PC in a second. If this was helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech tips. See you in the next one.